In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV into an existing project in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open the Asana website in your preferred web browser. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. Just enter your email and password and you'll be good to go. After logging in, navigate to the specific project you want to add your new data to. This is important because integrating the right information into the right project keeps everything organized. Take a moment to locate the project you have in mind and open it. Once you're inside your project, look for a small caret icon or downward-facing triangle positioned to the right of your project title. This icon is your gateway to the next steps. Click on that caret icon to reveal a drop-down menu. You'll see various options relating to your project, and we're specifically looking for the import feature. In the drop-down menu, select the import option. A box should pop up showing you different file type choices for import. Here you want to choose the CSV option. This is crucial as you'll be uploading a specific spreadsheet file formatted as a CSV. Now, let's get your CSV file ready for upload. If you already have the file on your computer, it's super easy to import. You can simply drag and drop your CSV file directly into the designated import field shown on the screen. This method is not only quick but also intuitive, making it a seamless experience. Once your file is in place, you'll see an option to make changes to map your CSV columns to project fields. It's really important to pay close attention here to ensure that the information in your CSV matches the fields in your Asana project. Mapping is basically the process of aligning your data with the corresponding project fields, so take your time to review it carefully. After everything looks good and the data mapping aligns with your existing tasks, you should spot a prompt that allows you to continue to the project. Click on that option to finalize the data integration process. Congratulations, you're almost done. You should now see the imported tasks in your Asana project all neatly organized and ready for you or your team to tackle. This process not only saves you time, but also helps maintain consistency in your workflow by allowing you to integrate external data easily. That's it for today. You've just learned how to import a CSV file into an existing project in Asana. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're always here to help you optimize your project management skills. See you in the next video, and happy planning with Asana.